this evening. Hey, everybody, we've got a couple more classes coming up this evening. We've got our 7 o'clock Faithfully Fit Partner class. It's a deep dive into a special topic. And then at 8 o'clock, we've got, we're doing a really deep dive into collagen. So should be an interesting evening. We just finished up a class on the challenges. We do a little bit of all of it. And right now we're talking void replacements. We've got two different types of classes we do on void replacements. We've got one on grocery store void replacements, things that at the grocery store that you'll need to replace voids with the Shibboleth lifestyle. We're talking pasta, we're talking coffee creamer. We're going to get rid of all that old stuff that we used to consume that caused the fat bust to come. Because we know when the fat bust comes, appetite goes through the roof, fat storage takes place, and the efficiency of your fat burning stops for up to 2 days. That stuff may have tasted good, but it causes weight gain. What we're doing at the grocery store now is trading that stuff out. In other words, instead of having Moose Tracks ice cream, we're going to have Sweet Freedom Bunny Tracks. So that's all that Shibboleth is about, is getting rid of those items that tasted great, caused us to gain weight, and switching it out for items that taste great and allows for us to lose weight. That's what it's all about, y'all. That's how the Lord used this program to change my life and will also change your life. Right now, we're doing our Shibby Shop, the Shibby Shop drop. We're doing our Shibby Shop void replacements, and we're going to go through the Shibby Shop and show you the items that can help you lose weight. They're great void replacements. Coupled with your red column and yellow column, you can simplify Shibboleth and lose 3 to 5 pounds every single week with a little focus. So I'm going to go to that and share my screen. I'm going to myshibboleth.com, myshibboleth.com. We're going to talk about these specialty items that help you lose weight, along with your red column, yellow column food combinations. Man, can you get some good results. We're going to our store. And we're going to start off with the amazing cheesesteak pasta. Okay, been one of my favorite items for a long time. This isn't clean eating we're doing. This is that good old Shibboleth convenience where we take a day because we're in a hurry and we replace some voids. The cheesesteak pasta, for me, amazing weight loss aid. It's not like your normal cheesesteak pasta that you like your Chef Boyardee. That causes that causes the fat bust. But our cheesesteak pasta from AHS, high protein, low glycemic index, you're going to get great results from it. I like to take one package of it and put it over any of our Shibboleth approved chips. Yep, I put it over chips. Or I'll take 2 packages of it and eat it by itself. Again, we're not getting that we're not getting that fat bust, but we're getting plenty of protein to help slow blood sugar elevation down and to help us preserve muscle. So for example, during my day, let's say I got up that morning and I had a Health-Wise hot chocolate, or I had an egg white omelet, whatever. Then for lunch, I have the cheesesteak pasta because all I have access to is a microwave. And I don't mind having a little mock Chef Boyardee. I could put a package of it over my double bites, a package over my bonitos, or I could just have 2 packages, a big portion of it, and it's going to be hot and it's going to be delicious. Help me preserve my muscle. Next, you've got AHS fettuccine. This is the one that I use. I put on all that weight. I ended up over 300 pounds, and I owe a lot of it to the tuna-roni diet, the Roni diet. Tuna-roni, tuna helper. I owe a lot of it to like hamburger helper and tuna helper. I love this fettuccine. I can get me them little baby shrimp that are already cooked from the grocery store. You don't have to get baby shrimp. I just feel like it makes for a better dish when I'm pairing it with this because there's so many of them little salad shrimp. So I can have me like some shrimp Alfredo. I can take me a little canned premium lump crab meat. Have me some like a crab. Can't have 2 packages of this one, just 1 package. But have me like a crab Alfredo, shrimp Alfredo. Yeah, I could use 96% lean ground beef here. I could even have this as a side dish and perfectly pair it with any lean protein meat, like whether it be chicken breast or fish. I could put that on my portion plate. Do I have my portion plate? Need to bring it in here. You can use the 2-hand rule or a 6 to 8-inch plate, and it makes for a great, perfect pairing item. Then you've got your mac and cheese, same thing, same purpose that I use this for. So I've got my chicken breast and mac and cheese. That's a perfect pairing, one package of it. Or I can take my 96% lean ground beef, scramble that up, get it nice and browned, put it in one package of this, and then it's like having a hamburger helper. I love it that way. The AHS pancakes, one of my favorite breakfasts. I still haven't found a pancake on Planet Shibboleth, even though there's recipes and everything else under the sun on our Planet Shibboleth. I haven't found a pancake I like any better than these. 1 to 2 packages can be a meal. So, for example, I can take 2 packages of the that's a lot of pancakes. 2 packages, pile them up, put me a little ghee butter or 0-calorie butter spray, some sugar-free Aunt Jemima or Walden Farms calorie-free syrup, and I've got a great meal. I could also have 1 package with some scrambled eggs or some egg whites. I also have used these for like a mock pig in a blanket, where I take Hebrew National 97 lean, cut it up, and wrap them up in 2 of these, a little pancake syrup that's approved, even a little mustard. Makes for a great little bun if you want to use it like a bun. I just like them for breakfast. A cup of Health Wise hot chocolate in the morning, all that protein, with a package of these pancakes, that's going to be 30 grams of muscle-preserving protein. And we're going to keep that fat bus shut down. These products here, they're not your normal products that we approve. These are all about the fastest and most efficient weight loss and void replacements. Over here, I've got chocolate pecan clusters and chocolate peanut butter patties. They've changed up the size of them. They're a little bigger. I actually like them better since they changed that up. And you can have up to 4 of those as one snack. Up to 4 as one snack. You don't have to have 4. You probably won't want 4. What's the difference in having the chocolate peanut butter patties as compared to a Reese's? What's the difference there? What's the difference? The big difference is that Reese's is sugar, starch, and fat. You're storing fat. It's a fat bus bomb. That's what it is. You ain't gonna see no efficient fat burning for up to 2 days. This don't have that sugar in it. This is high fiber. We're shutting down the fat bus. I like to have them. I'm going down the road, right? It's time to pull over to the convenience store. I might usually get me a Reese's. Back in the old days when I was over 300 pounds. Why I do that? I reach for these because I got them in my survival kit, and I have up to 4 if I need them, and I shut down my appetite. I don't want more than 4. I want less than 4, actually, because they're so satisfying, and I get the chocolate and the peanut butter flavor. And then I'm eating something that tastes good. I met my craving where my cravings were at, but at the same time, I'm still in EFB if I'm following the Shibboleth Shield. Another thing I love to do with these, I like to take Mama's Shibboleth approved cheesecake, and I like to take 2 of them and put them right there on the top of it. That's what I like to do. Now, if I do that, I got to count it as a perfect pairing meal because my calories go over a little bit, but it's still so good. Sometimes that's all you want. You just want something sweet, something satisfying as a meal episode even. Yeah, I've been known to have nothing but approved cheesecake and some peanut butter patties for lunch. Another thing I like to do is make me a mock Sonic Blast. I'll get me my Beverly UMP or my GC Control, drop a couple of these in the blender with it, blend that up, and I have got a mock Sonic Blast with Reese's in it. Mock Reese's, delicious. Pecan clusters, love those things. Anytime I'm craving something like that with the caramel in it, I'm going for those. I don't have to worry about the fat bus. Cocoa Ringa, delicious morning. You could call it a half a snack. Up to 2 servings of this is a snack, but I'm a little more tough with myself. I'm tough with myself. So I will have this. I'll have it as a meal episode. Even though I could have it as a snack, I don't like to eat anything. I don't like to have more than 3 eating episodes a day, even if it's a snack. So I'll have it as a meal episode. You don't have to, though. And if you understand the system, you know what all that means. One of the things you can do with this, though, is mix it with Health-Wise hot chocolate, and then you're getting a lot more protein and a lot better blood sugar control. So I love doing it. If you're doing Faithfully Fit and you're trying to go clean, this is one of the clean items in the Shibby shop. This is all natural stuff. So is your bio coffee. If you're a diabetic and you're experiencing a low blood sugar episode, that's okay. We've got several things that you can have as like a freebie or as an extra to get your blood sugar back up without provoking the fat bust. This is no caffeine. It's wheatgrass based, heavy antioxidants. It also helps promote regularity. I won't have it as a meal episode unless I'm mixing 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐚𝐜 with it or mixing Health-Wise hot chocolate. Then you got your double bites. Double bites are awesome. A pack of them can be an approved snack. You can have 2 packs as a meal. Chips for a meal? Yep, because they're so high in protein. I like to take Shibboleth approved chili or Wendy's chili and put over 1 package of them and put a little approved cheese on top. That makes for a good meal. You got your brand crisp bread. I'll have these as a little extra, like cheese toast, fat-free cheese or fat-free cream cheese with some berries on it. That's just an extra. It's not even a snack. I like to have them with peanut butter on them. You could have a tablespoon of peanut butter. That's 3 teaspoons of peanut butter. And put over as many of those as you want, and you've got a snack there. All kind of ways to have those as freebies too, by the way. Your hot chocolate, up to 3 of those counts as 1 snack. Again, I'm a little tougher with myself, but if you're trying to graze all day, you could literally have 3 approved meals, and in between those meals, you could have up to 3 of the hot chocolate and count it only as 1 snack in our system. Again, I'm tougher with myself, so I'm going to have it and count it as a meal. You could do it. You can have 1 pack of that anytime you want as an extra. You need it as a little extra. Don't want to count it. You can do that. It's nothing but protein. It's not going to hurt you. Got the hemp bars. We've got a new hemp bar challenge where you graze on that bar, can lose up to 1 pound a day. If you do that and do it the right way, make sure you get my rules. You need all of my hemp rules if you want to lose up to 1 pound a day. You can get that from Ms. Lisa. But you could also use this as the cleanest, all-natural meal replacement bar there is by having 1/3. That's a 12-inch bar, everybody. So you can have 1/3 of that bar as a meal replacement or 1/4 of that bar as a snack. Then you've got your hemp hearts. Hemp hearts are a category 6 superfood. We're about to use these. We keep limited stock, so you might want to get them now. Same thing with the hemp bars. A week from Monday, we're doing the Control-Alt-Delete challenge, where we're taking people who need a restart or a detox, and we're traveling together. We're going to be having some delicious, delicious hemp meal episodes. Everybody that purchased hemp yesterday got 30 meal ideas just using hemp. Then you got your hemp flakes. I love, love, love hemp flakes. They're a category 1+2. We use them just like we use hemp hearts as a protein replacement, a large portion as a protein replacement, or we use a small portion as a condiment. You got high protein oatmeal, great, perfect pairing item. This particular oatmeal can be paired with any lean protein as a side item in the morning. Or you can have up to 2 packs of it as your meal if you like to just eat oatmeal. If you do regular oatmeal that way, you're going to hunt, you're going to cause the fat bust. Then you've got your high protein soups. This is what I call my training wheel fast. Many days I only eat 1 decent sized meal, and that's when I feel the best. That's not how I lost over 100 pounds. I lost over 100 pounds eating 3 meals a day and a snack. But I've gotten where I really enjoy less is best. I just feel better. So during the day, I might have a high protein soup for lunch, and that's it. It makes for a great side item. I'll send you all kind of ways to use the soup if you email me at TravisJack777@gmail.com. This soup has helped me really get my body fat percentage down. I've got my body fat percentage down below 13%, y'all. Can you believe that I started at 44%? All I know to do is say glory to God. He's helped this old wicked fella. Thank you, Jesus, for all that you've done for me and rewiring my mindset. I love this soup. Muscle preservation, keeps things light. I feel good all day. And there's so many ways to use Health-Wise high protein soup. Load up on it. I like the beef and noodle and the chicken noodle. You've got Health-Wise high protein pancakes. You use them just like AHS pancakes. Some people like that flavor better. I like the AHS better, but they're both good. That's our Shibby Shop. That's our Shibby Shop. If you want to support us in our Amazon store, you just click right here. Any support we'll take. We're on a life-saving mission. So right here, you've got all of these Amazon-approved foods, endless numbers. That helps support us, but the best way to support us is to lose weight. Tell somebody about Shibboleth. We really appreciate you when you do that. And then second best is supporting our Shibby Shop. We love you for supporting our Shibby Shop. That's what keeps our great support team. It's hard to lose weight without having a support team supporting you. So please continue to support the Shibby Shop. Fun thing that we're doing. I know it's a big ask, but if somebody's got a lot of groceries to buy, the next $200 Shibby Shop order, we don't get many of them, but when we do, we love you. When you go grocery shopping with us to lose weight, the next $200 order, you get a really nice hand blender. The person that put the Shibby Shop together, they got a vendor sent them a hand blender, and it's a nice hand blender. The next $200 order, if you got to order it anyway, the next one is getting that blender put in their order. So thank you very much. Any questions or comments in the members only group? Everybody good? Man, we sure do love you. Appreciate all the support. Don't forget about the class tonight. All right. Don't forget about the classes tonight. We got a 7 o'clock partner and faithfully fit member deep dive into a nutrition topic. And then we got the class on collagen. We're going to be doing a class on collagen tonight. Don't forget to follow your Shibboleth Shield. You can lose up to 10% of your body weight in your very first month. That's a lot. If you're 300 pounds, that's 30 pounds in a month. If you're 200 pounds, that's 20 pounds. And then after that, it's 1% a week, which is still, that's a lot of fat loss. All right, y'all, we appreciate you. We love you in the Lord. Our Father which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done in the earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day, Lord, our daily bread. Forgive us of our debts as we forgive our debtors. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever. Amen. God bless y'all. Thank you so much.